Welcome to this ReservHub tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to create a new restaurant profile from the My Restaurants page. Start by selecting Add New Restaurant. The setup wizard opens with basic info. Enter the restaurant name and short name. The short name is used in the restaurant URL, so keep it simple and avoid spaces. Next, choose the restaurant type. Select the main cuisine type, and add any additional cuisine types that represent your menu. Now continue to location and contact. Enter the restaurant email, phone number, street address, country, city, language, and time zone. These details help ReservHub show the correct information and support online bookings accurately. In business details, add the total capacity. Select a price range if required, set the maximum cluster tables, and confirm whether the restaurant accepts reservations and walk-ins. You can also add a dress code and booking notes if needed. In additional info, you can add the restaurant website, Google Places ID, TripAdvisor link, social media links, and a detailed description. These fields help build a stronger public profile for your restaurant. Before creating the restaurant, review the restaurant summary carefully. If anything needs changing, use the previous button. If everything looks correct, select Create Restaurant. After the restaurant is created, ReservHub opens the restaurant setup wizard. Here you can choose features that describe your venue, such as outdoor seating, free Wi-Fi, chef's table, or all you can eat. You can also continue through payment and parking, special occasions, and service types. These settings help tailor the restaurant profile and the guest booking experience. Once saved, the new restaurant appears in My Restaurants. From here, you can open the dashboard, quick setup, or preferences and continue configuring sections, tables, opening hours, and your floor plan. Your restaurant profile is now created in ReservHub.